So in this video we're gonna show you how to change the password on your Raspberry Pi from another machine remotely, but within the same network. So to do that, we're gonna go and open terminal, then put here SSH and then the username of your Pi, which for me is Pi at, and the IP address, which is this one on my network. Default password is Raspberry. Okay. And now we're connected. Now to change the password you can do it this way: sudo raspi config, and we gonna go to system options, password, which is S3, and now it's gonna ask us to enter a new password. So I'm gonna put it something easy, retype, and password changed successfully. So that was so easy. Now we're just gonna exit and exit again and try to connect with the new password, Pi at 192.168.0.1, a new password, and here you go, logged in with the new password. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to ask them ASAP.